Let's get started, please. Good morning, everyone. During our last class on Saturday, we were dealing with the reading comprehension text in unit number 9, period 2, which talks about sports. Now, according to the screen that you are looking at, how many paragraphs are there? Adiala. How many paragraphs can you see? Noor? It's okay. How many paragraphs can you see? Uh, how many paragraphs can you see there? Farouk? أي الرابط فوق موجود عندكم؟ Noor, how many paragraphs are there?
4 paragraphs.
4 paragraphs. So what's the first paragraph about? Look, you can look at it. What is it about?
Many sports included in the Olympic Games.
Many sports included in the Olympic Games. Does it talk about this? Paragraph number 1 talks about that in line number 3, how the sports can be included in the Olympics. How we can include sports in the Olympics. Paragraph number 2, what does it talk about?
Baseball.
Baseball, which was included and then dropped. Included and then dropped after many years. Paragraph number 3, it talks about two sports.
Yeah.
Two sports, squash and speed walking بالسطر الثالث. Squash and speed walking. Paragraph number 4.
His personal rules.
His personal rules or criteria. Okay. Now, if you look at the next slide, هذا شرحناها بالصف طبعا. Here, it talks about replace the underlined parts of the sentences with words from the text. The sentences are in the same order as the words in the text. So what's number 1? What are the reasons or qualifications for being accepted on the course? What are the criteria? What about number 2? When he reads the team list, when he read the team list, he saw that he had been left out. What's left out?
He dropped.
Dropped. 3. It's an unusual mixture of flavors, but it tasted good, or it tastes good.
اللي هي combination.
Combination, yes. I can choose between them. Number 4. There is no way of deciding which is acceptable.
Good morning, Ustaz.
Good morning. What's the word then? Number 4? Judging. Number 5 now, we need to look at the facts and reach a decision that's not based on personal opinion.
اللي هي
Objective. Now, he is not a clear choice, but I wouldn't say it's impossible to include the young player.
Rule out.
Rule out, Amir. Rule out. Now, in the activity here, we have 6 definitions of vocabulary items or words with their meanings. In the next activity, read the text again and choose the best title. توزيع عناوين على الفقرات. We have one extra. There is one lit title that you don't need. واحدة لا تحتاجها زيادة. So, two examples of strange decisions. Which paragraph talks about two things? Or a decision where people changed. Yeah.
Paragraph 3.
Paragraph 3. That's baseball and speed walking. اكتبوا جنبها baseball وspeed walking. Number 2 now. What makes an Olympic sport? Which paragraph talks about how the sport can be an Olympic?
اللي هي paragraph 1.
Paragraph number 1. Now, how the IOC works. Is there a paragraph talking about how the IOC works?
No.
No. So it's X. Now, my own criteria. Where does he talk about his own criteria or conditions?
اللي هي paragraph 4.
Paragraph number 4. And a change of mind. Where did they change their mind between adding and dropping or leaving out one of the sports?
اللي هي 2.
Paragraph number 2. Screenshot that, please. Take a screenshot of it. Now, on the next part here, we have decided if the statements are true or false according to the text. Number 1, Noor, can you read that?
Golf was not included in the 2012 Olympic Games. True.
Okay, the next one, Amir.
يلا أستاذ. Baseball is popular in some European countries. False.
That's okay. Now, number 3. Noor again.
The writer suggested speed walking should not be included in the Olympic. True.
So that's true. Next one, Amir.
يلا أستاذ. The writer gives a clear reason why some شو هاي أستاذ كيف؟
Some activities.
Some activities are not serious sport. اللي هي true.
So it's true. Thank you. Now, what do the pronouns highlighted in the text refer to? Pronoun number 1, they, line 4. What does it refer to, Diala? So, Noor, they على شو بتعود؟
بتعود على sports.
Sports. Now, number 2, Amir. It,
على البيسبول.
baseball. Number 3, Noor.
Squash.
So it's squash. And the last one, Amir.
Speed walking.
It
على line.
speed walking.
Yes. Speed walking.
Screenshot that, please. صوروا الشاشة. Now, according to these exercises, we have a pronoun reference exercise. تمرين رابع على الضمائر مهم. Exercise number 3 talks about true or false according to the text. You read the sentence and decide if it's there or not there, or if something is changed. الجملة موجودة ولا مش موجودة ولا متغير فيها أي شيء. On the previous page, we had this activity about the meanings and the titles. طبعا تمرين رابع مهم جدا. هون. أي فقرة عنوانها هذا وعنوانها هذا حسب التمارين اللي أخذناها. Now, in the next part, if you look at it here, it's unit 9, period 3 and 4, the grammar. Because we have only 3 students, I think that will be enough for now. نعم.
رسالك صلاة امتحان؟
No, not yet.
اوكي.